So this is part 2 of the detecting sparks that are being generated using a headphone jack. If you haven't seen part 1, links are in the description. So first I would like to show you the sparks that are being generated on the lighter, which we haven't done in the last video. So those are the sparks that are being generated, and that's what gets electromagnetically transmitted and received by the headphone jack. Now I have this friend who used to do this. He used to take this lighter and sort of like keep it on his hand and sort of trigger it. So now I was thinking, and okay, what if I do the same thing with my hand with the headphone jack recording all the data? Is it gonna get transmitted, or is it gonna if the body is gonna act as an antenna, or is it gonna suppress the signal? I was just innately curious as to what would happen. So the setup here is the same as before. I have Audacity that is recording at 38400 hertz. That's the sampling rate, and that's the maximum I could get, and that's about it. And we'll start recording it. And also I have maxed out the amplification for this sound card. So if I sort of like just press this one, okay, let's just go there and sort of amplify it. So you can see these peaks that are there. That corresponds to me sort of hitting the light. Now what would happen if I sort of place this on my hand and start recording it? Let's see. It does hurt a little bit though, I mean, if you're wondering, because there are these nerve endings, and if you sort of hit it at the right nerve ending, it can cause quite a stir. Okay, that's that. Let's sort of see and amplify and see the signal, how that is. So you see there, I mean, like these, okay, this one seems prominent, and so are these, and so apparently if you place your body in the way of the lighter, the signal does get transmitted. So now I want to try out this one other final thing. What if I have this lighter, I'm gonna place it on my hand, but this hand I'm gonna touch the mic pin of the headphone jack. That way there'll be a spark that gets transmitted through the body, and it'll go to the headphone, and let's just sort of see how that goes. And let me start the recording. And let me do that. And you see, this is the 50 Hz signal that appears because I'm touching the mic pin of the headphone. So if you sort of see, you get these peaks. That corresponds to me sort of striking the lighter, and so that's about it. So even that gets transmitted. So that's about it, I guess. I'll show you this one once more time, just to give you a feel, because there are a lot of people who are asking me from the previous video how the spark is generated on a lighter. So this is how it gets generated. So that's about it. So bye. That's part 2. Bye.